We are at a roadside dhaba, 100 kilometers away from Udhampur. It's going to take almost 3 hours to reach there, mostly because it's a single lane and maybe guard section. The weather is nice and cool, and but the food's going to be pretty much like these roadside dhabas. And the best part of our trip, Punjabi food is done. The views we had earlier were better. Check this out. Like, amazing, right? Let me show you that again. Like, there is scenic, and this is much more amazing than that. And we haven't reached Leh yet, and I'm super excited already. So, what can I say? Trying some local food here in Udhampur. Came out, stepped out for breakfast. Didn't find much of cafes or proper places. There's something local that we're trying. It's called bread kalari. Seems yummy. Let's see.
That's what?
My breakfast.
Bread toast.
Butter toast. Butter toast. When did you last have a butter toast?
I don't remember. I want idli vada.
How's the breakfast, human? Rating is huh?
Cooking ramen good is
Bread toast is good.
We're here in Udhampur. Stayed here overnight. Mainly because it's been raining like cats and dogs since yesterday evening, and there's some floods and landslides ahead of us near Anantapur district. Also, there is Amarnath Yatra, which has been suspended due to that rain and landslides. Not sure if we'll be staying here just today or tomorrow too. For now, looks like we're stuck. Another part of the adventure, I guess. Climbed almost 3 floors of stairs, especially me with a slightly swollen foot. For that bloody damn fucking view. Anything for the view. Finally heading out of Udhampur. Weather looks perfect, unlike a day before. Just take a look. Clear skies so far, but we have to go soon. We don't want to test our luck because it's projected to rain sometime in the evening. So we want to reach mostly by I think 8 p.m. today, and then tomorrow, if the weather is good, we'll ride to Leh. That will complete half of the journey, guys. So we're all set to go almost. Aditya slept well.
Yeah. Slept crazy.
Boys, all ready? Suju ready? Ready. Slept well? Amazing. We are all set to leave from Udhampur. Nice hotel here to stay by, and decent accommodation. Food we had it outside because it was a bit expensive here, but overall it was a nice place to stay in Udhampur. And yeah, now we are heading to Sonamarg, which is like 292 kilometers. Estimated time of arrival is 5:33, but I think we'll reach there by 7:30 with no deviations or detours. Amazing view with such tough roads. Not easy to maintain roads here, guys, because the weather doesn't permit them. Accessibility of funds, lot of things, but lovely place and lovely views. And 4-laning is in the process of getting done, so hopefully it will be done soon by next year. Just stopped by the roadside since Sriman wanted to adjust his clutch play, and met these lovely folks. Few of them are from the Andhra, and from Andhra actually, Guntur and Rajahmundry. Nice to speak to Telugu speaking people after a long ride. Thank you, Paji. आपका नाम? मिलेंगे सब. कलुस्तान नन.
चाय पी लो, स्नैक्स ले लो, पकोड़े वगैरह.
अरे వెళ్దాం రా, ఈ రోడ్ బాగాలేదు, వెళ్దాం, ముందు వెళ్దాం. వద్దు వద్దురా, వెళ్దాం. లెట్స్ గో. లైట్ ఉన్నప్పుడే కొట్టేద్దాం. మళ్ళీ దూరం ఉంది కదా, వెళ్తాం. ఆహా, అంటే టైం పడుతుంది కూర్చుంటే, అన్ని హెల్మెట్లు అన్నీ తీసి అన్నీ పెట్టుకునేటప్పటికి వెళ్ళిపోతాం. అంటే ఎండ్ ఉందిగా, మళ్ళీ వాన ఏమైనా ఈవినింగ్ పడుతుందేమో అని.
10 కిలోమీటర్లు వెళ్ళారంటే ఎండ ఏం కనిపిస్తుంది మీకు?
सोनामार्ग जा रहा है.
पहुंच जाओगे आराम से.
हाँ, क्योंकि शाम से पहले जाए तो अच्छा रहता है ना.
हाँ, नहीं हम भी बाल्टाल मिलेंगे.
अच्छा,
शाम को हम बाल्टाल होंगे.
अच्छा. We're on our way to Sonamarg for short breakfast, and we'll be another 250 kilometers or 8 hours drive from here. But look at the view. నేనున్నా సెంటర్ చేయొద్దు ఈరోజు. నో సెంటర్ లిస్ట్. He's been getting lot of attention in this trip, so today we are giving him a break. And our yummy food has arrived. Thank you, Baisab. Look at the amazing view here, guys. Look at that. Look at the mountains ahead, and seeing such lovely road ahead. Oh man. Oh man. Chanani Nashri Tunnelway Limited. Wow. Lovely tunnel, guys. This is the best tunnel I've ever seen in India. This is an all-weather tunnel. From here, actually, the K2K till Srinagar is an all-weather highway. It's always open, unlike the Srinagar-Leh highway, which is closed in winters. So this tunnel is specifically built for catering to the traffic in all weather conditions, and it is one hell of a tunnel. Speechless, just speechless. What can I say about this view, guys? Like, I think the closer we get to this destination, the more majestic and beautiful it is getting, and the more emotional I am becoming for all the hardships that I faced and my friends faced on reaching here. It's like I never was a ride this long, this stressful, this tough, and this challenging for us. Like, just speechless in terms of, at one side of it, my foot's aching, and the body is tired, the mind's still active, but it's just that this view is making everything pretty and nice. Look at how steep that mountain is, guys. Seems like there was a landslide or something, but it is so mesmerizing that it is pulling me towards that. It is so steep. Like, I have never seen such a steep mountain this close. Crazy. Like, just look at that. Like, how did the carve a road in that area, man? I'm gonna be there soon. These are some of the scariest roads I've ever ridden on, guys. Like, mad. Oh, wow. I don't want to look that side, but I hope you're seeing it on the camera. It's just scary hell. My eyes are on this side, but I'm just turning the helmet so that you guys can see. It is scary as hell. Just look at that scenery, guys. That and a tunnel rakinda. Oh man, there's a tunnel, train tunnel underneath. Fuck. The view was simply majestic. Oh man, this is Kashmir for you, man. This is Kashmir. Fuck. I'm happy, man. My leg is aching, but I don't fucking care. We're like 50 kilometers from Anantnag district, I guess, and another 100 or so kilometers from Srinagar. Lot of Amarnath pilgrimage here, so a lot of traffic. Otherwise, this road should be pretty free, I guess. But the views here are just mind-blowing. Like, just take a look, guys. Simply beautiful, right? And then we get beautiful roads like these, so close to Srinagar, almost 60-70 kilometers from there, and amazing roads here so far, and the views are excellent. That, I think, is going to be the common line for me throughout the trip. Look at this, man. How pretty it is. Yes, that's Rajma Chawal. How is it, Adi?
Good, amazing.
He's having roti and dal fry, and he's vlogging.
Very famous.
But look at the view here. Amazing, right? The last time I saw a view like this was in Indonesia, guys. Man, the sun, clouds, it seems hot there. It's very cold this side of the mountains. It's like almost 9 or 10 degrees now. I can feel the chill in my body. But the views are just majestic. This is what we have been waiting for so freaking long. Just look at that! Look at that, guys. Yeah, it is only 53 kilometers from here. We are on our way to Sonamarg. We had a small hiccup at a military checkpost. They were diverting all the pilgrimage to a small base camp area where they are gonna stay overnight. We were diverted there, but just look at that. Anyways, we were diverted there, had to talk with the police and convince him that we paid for the hotel, and which we did, by the way, and then he let us go. And this view, man, like that band of cloud around the mountain, I have no words. Like, I do write a bit, but I still have no vocabulary to explain that, man. Just how majestic is that? We are like 30 kilometers or 50 minutes from the hotel, and this ride is something I don't want to end. Just, I can go so far with just these views. Like, I won't be tired. I'm not tired after riding for almost what? We started around 8:30 in the morning. It's almost 10.5 hours so far, and I'm not yet tired. Give me that exhaust note and a view like that. That's one hell of a ride, guys. Look at the waterfall, guys. The water's coming all the way down here from there, and it's freaking cold. And look at those, we can still see some sunset on the top of the mountains. And we have seen temperatures from 40 degrees to 10 degrees so far in this trip. That's like peaks. Man, this is one hell of an adventure. Loving this. So that's where we are staying tonight. It's like 10 degrees centigrade and we are shivering like crazy. Amazing lakeside camps. I don't know if you can see on the video, but it's one hell of a place.